Dear child, today the angels want to talk to you. The angels are trying to get your attention with a crucial message. Recently, a member of your family had a profound experience that led them to observe something unusual in your room. They believed they saw a woman in the dark, which has led to concern and questions. They want to help you get through this scary situation by showing you the way and following your lead. To begin, let's talk about the sighting itself. Seeing a woman in dark shadows can be unsettling and make you feel scared or anxious. It's crucial to understand that these types of events frequently occur and often carry deeper significance. The angels are here to help you understand these signs and make things clear. When the dark figure showed up, it was normal for the person watching to feel scared and confused at the same time. They must have been shocked to see a figure in the shadows, especially a woman who looked like she was watching you from afar. A surprising sight can evoke a range of emotions, from unease to open fear. The strange and new nature of the sight could make anyone feel like something is amiss during these times of surprise and discomfort. Keep in mind that angels are always watching over, protecting, and comforting you. Even in the face of strange or dangerous situations, their role is to ensure your safety and prevent harm. While the sight of this dark figure may be scary, it is best to stay cool and believe that these spiritual beings will help you. When these kinds of strange things happen, it can help to step back and look at the situation with a clear head. The dark figure might serve as a sign or symbol alerting you to something significant. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and think before acting. When these numbers show up, they usually make people think more deeply or become more aware, rather than immediately scare them. When faced with the unknown, it's simple to let fear cloud your judgment. People naturally get scared when they see things that don't fit with how they normally see the world. However, it's precisely when they're feeling scared that staying calm is most important. You are never alone when you're going through difficult times because the angels are always with you. Their guidance aims to assist you in managing these situations with comfort and comprehension. Take comfort in the fact that angels are watching over you from the background. They are excellent at making sense of events that are challenging to understand. It's important to be patient and believe the angels' advice, even if the dark figure seems unsettling. The guidance is often subtle and may take time to fully show itself. Staying calm and paying attention will enhance your understanding of the messages or signs presented. You should also remember that these events may have a hidden meaning. It's possible that the meaning of a dark figure or other strange symbols will only become clear over time. As long as you remember to trust them, the angels see the larger picture and will assist you in understanding these signs. The goal is to guide and reassure you, even when the path is unclear. Consider the overall role this shadowy figure plays in your life. Have you made any recent decisions or experienced any related events? Angels occasionally utilize these signs to highlight aspects of your life that require modification or further contemplation. It's a chance to look at things again and get back on track with your true path. Reminding yourself that you are safe and supported can help you keep a positive and open mind when you see or hear something that makes you feel uncomfortable. Stop focusing on fear or pain and think about how angels protect you. It is their job to help you get through tough times. By focusing on their advice and giving them insight and support as needed, you can better understand what's going on and take the right steps. Also, think about the possibility that the dark figure is a representation of something more vague. These figures can sometimes stand for inner fears or worries instead of threats from outside sources. The angel's presence should empower you to confront your fears with courage and assurance. If you think the angels are helping you, they will give you the strength and knowledge to overcome any obstacles. You will come out of these experiences with more understanding and stronger. Their help goes beyond just protecting you right now, it also includes long-term advice and well-being. They are here to make sure you stay on the right track. It's helpful to find quiet times and peace on the trip, even if it means going through unsure or difficult situations. This way, you can process and understand what you've been through. The angels may be more clear when they talk to you, offering advice and comfort without being obvious when things are bad. Spend some time reflecting to enhance your connection with the angels and understand their desires. The sight of the dark figure is ultimately a reminder of how the angels are always there to help. They are constantly monitoring you and prepared to provide protection and guidance in every circumstance. The figure may look scary at first, but it's actually a message to trust the angels' guidance and stay calm when you don't know what to expect. Don't forget that the angels are here to help you handle the unknowns of life with confidence and style. The guidance they provide should assist you in overcoming every challenge, ensuring your safety, and staying true to your path. Remember that the angels are always with you, giving you the power and understanding you need to move forward with confidence. Keep your cool, stay alert, and trust that the angels will guide you. You can handle anything with ease and confidence when they are by your side, knowing that their caring presence will always protect and guide you. Angels want you to know they will always protect you. They'll reassure and assist you if this sighting makes you nervous or scared. It's normal to be scared when these kinds of things happen, but the angels want you to stay grounded and focus on their protected powers. Shadowy figures or dark presences are often not real, but rather symbolic. They may stand for unsolved problems, fears that won't go away, or mental problems. The angels encourage you to reflect on recent events in your life and how your emotions may be impacting this experience. By dealing with these problems, you can get rid of any negative energy and make the space more peaceful. The dark figure could also serve as a reminder to pay closer attention to your surroundings. The angels are assisting you in becoming more aware of the forces and emotions that influence you. This increased awareness can assist you in identifying potential dangers or health-related issues. Your angels support your efforts to protect yourself and others. Remember that the results of these kinds of things might not always be clear right away. The angels want you to know that their help and security may appear in small ways, and it may take time to realize how much they are helping you. Believe that they are there and keep asking them for help. As you progress, encountering a dark figure can evoke a range of emotions and pique your curiosity, particularly when shared with your family. When someone sees something scary, such as a dark figure, it can initiate a larger conversation about fear, worry, and imagination. Although this spread effect may initially be frightening, it can also serve as an opportunity for the family to unite and grow. It's normal for people to talk about and try to figure out strange things that happen to them. Our minds naturally seek methods to comprehend and alleviate the uncertainty. When someone talks about this kind of experience, it often leads to conversations that run from trying to find logical answers to looking into more spiritual or intuitive ones. The angels advise creating a space where people can communicate and understand each other. Get together as a family, talk about how you feel, and address any worries that come up because of the experience. By doing this, you make a safe place where everyone can talk about their worries and questions. Without judging. This process not only helps you feel better, but it also improves family ties as you go through it together. It helps to be understanding and patient during these talks, because everyone reacts differently to upsetting events. It's important to accept each other's feelings and points of view. Some family members may be interested in understanding the reasons behind events. Others might gravitate more towards spiritual or emotional comprehension. Accepting that people will have different answers can make the conversation more comprehensive and helpful. Don't forget that the angels are with you during this time. They tell you to keep your cool and be kind. By creating an environment of support and understanding, you make a place where everyone can feel safe and get things straight. As you engage in these discussions, the initial event may have a cascading effect, strengthening your family and increasing their willingness to support one another. The angels are with you and will guide and guard you. They say it's okay to be scared or unsure, but they also encourage you to grow and connect with others through shared experiences. The angels want you to trust them to protect you in uncertain times. They are always working behind the scenes to make sure you are safe and healthy, even if you can't see or fully understand what they are doing. They are always there to help. The angels are telling you beneficial things. Seeing a dark figure can also be a chance to grow as a person and think about yourself in order to stay upbeat and strong in the face of any problems that may come up. According to the angels, this is an opportunity to improve your relationship with them and learn more about their role in your life. You can become more aware of the angels' help and direction through prayer, meditation, and deep thought. Your guardian angels want you to take action as you move forward. It is important to ensure that the energy surrounding you is positive. Getting rid of any bad energy in the area, setting clear goals to ensure protection, and creating a calm environment could all contribute to this. Remembering that the angels are with you every step will boost your confidence. You might also want to think about your own spiritual views and practices after seeing the dark figure. Angels want you to find activities that connect you to their powers and increase your comfort. The angels want you to find what works best for you and use it in your daily life, whether that's praying, meditation, or something else spiritual. For help, you might want to talk to trusted friends, family, or faith leaders. The angels are telling you to surround yourself with positive people and look for people who can help and support you. You can build a strong support network that will help you through any problems that may come up by getting to know people who share your views and values. The dark figure may also present an opportunity to address any lingering fears or worries that are bothering you. The guardian angels want you to overcome your fears with their help. When you face your fears head-on, you can let go of any negative energy and move forward with more confidence and focus. The angels want you to know that they are always with you. You have their love and support throughout the process, even when things don't go as planned. Take comfort in knowing they are there to protect you. Remember that angels will help and protect you when you face challenges or make tough decisions. They have the ability to view the broader picture and are actively assisting you in overcoming any obstacles that may arise. Although the effects of their advice may not be immediately apparent, be aware that their influence is profound and far-reaching. When you are scared or having doubts, call on the angels for help and comfort. Their energy is always there for you, ready to help you see things clearly and give you strength. To let you know you are never alone and their love is always there. Keep an open mind as you move forward. The angels may send you signs and messages. These signs can show up in many ways, like a calm feeling, a quick realization, or even a chance meeting. Pay close attention to these signs, as they often signal the angel's presence and ability to assist you. Remember that angels are always trying to help you maximize your potential. They advise trusting them and staying positive even when there's no hope. Their love surrounds you, and they want to help you get through anything that comes your way. Don't forget that the angels are always with you. They will always help and guard you, and they are dedicated to making sure you are safe and healthy. Be assured that they are with you throughout this process. Keep in mind that the angels are here to assist and provide comfort. They are telling you to keep your mind on the good things in your life and to maintain your hope and positivity. Staying in touch with the angels and trusting them can help you overcome anything and feel safe and at peace. Angels are always with you to help and guard you, so please remember that. Be careful, do what they say, and accept their advice. You can handle anything with trust and care if they are there for you. The angels are vigilantly monitoring you, ensuring your safety and well-being in every aspect of your life. Their message is clear: the angels are here to help you and will always be there. Make sure you stay safe and healthy by believing in them. Staying in touch with the angels and asking for help can help you solve any problems with confidence and peace of mind. The angels want you to follow their advice and put your trust in their healing powers. When you go through hard times in life, the angels are always with you, giving you help and encouragement. No matter what comes your way, you can feel safe and secure in your life. Finally, the angels want you to know that they are always with you, helping and watching over you. Seeing the dark figure could mean that you need to stay alert and deal with any problems that might come up. The angels will be with you every step of the way. Believe in their advice and stay in touch with their powers. Keep in mind that angels are always watching out for you and keeping you safe and healthy.